Hello, in this video we will see how can we use inbound webhook trigger in bot builder. So in the bot builder, click on the plus icon, select WhatsApp chatbot and click on inbound webhook trigger. Enter hook title and select the channel bot will use from the drop down. It can be last channel of communication or you can decide yourself. So let me decide enter channel version and select channel from the drop down. Now you have to add a sample payload here. So this is the format in which the data will be received. Go to Postman and select request type as post. Here under body, click on raw and select JSON. Now enter a sample JSON here. So this will come under curly brackets. Name, number, and I am adding other order details here. Now simply copy your sample JSON and paste it under payload here. Now here we have to select either chat UID or identifier to actually trigger the bot. So we have a chat identifier here which is under number. So select payload number from the drop down. And now click on create webhook. Save this block. Now click on this again and copy the inbound webhook from here. Let's paste this in our Postman. Now here click on capture webhook and send data from Postman. So click on send. Here the data is received. Now simply save this. In the next step, we will have to add a template message. So click on add automation app, CRM, send template message, select channel from the drop down, select template. So this is the template that I have selected. This is a COD order confirmation message. And then map all the variables. It is necessary that we send a template message first because it is not compulsory that the session will be running in case of all users. So in the next step, add a smart wait here. So here you have to select answer type as single reply answer and add response waiting time. So I am adding 100 hours here, as if the bot runs before the user actually replies, the next step will be failed as the session will not be running. So after this, you can simply start with a normal bot flow. So let's add a ask question block, for example, interactive message. Here we can send a confirmation question message for the user to confirm their address and contact number, for example. In buttons, add confirm, change address, change contact number, and then save this block. Now simply continue the flow. So for example, if user selects change address, we can again add a ask question block and ask them to enter the correct address. Same for contact number, and if the user selects confirm, we can simply send them a confirmation message. Thank you.